How to use WooCommerce Shop Page as homepage. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use your WooCommerce Shop Page as the homepage of your website. First of all, open your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left-hand side, find Settings and hover over it. From this menu, click on Reading. This page controls what appears on your website's homepage. By default, it's set to your latest posts, but we need to change it. Select the option, a static page, and once you click it, more settings will enable. Now, under the Homepage drop-down menu, select Shop as your homepage. After selecting it, from the bottom right side, click on Save Changes button. Once everything is saved, let's go back to the homepage. Click on your website logo to return to the front page, and there you go. Your WooCommerce Shop page is now set as your homepage. And that's it. This is how you can easily use the WooCommerce Shop page as the homepage of your website. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.